Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is Concept of Profession and Professionalism, Teaching as a Profession, Professional Ethics of Teachers. Let us first try to understand the concept of profession and professionalism. Profession. A profession is a vocation or occupation that involves specialized education, training, and expertise in a particular field. Professions are characterized by a commitment to a specific body of knowledge, ethical standards, and the service of others. They often involve a high level of responsibility and accountability. Professionalism refers to the conduct, behavior, and attitudes expected of individuals within a profession. It encompasses a set of qualities, standards, and ethical principles that guide professionals in their interactions with clients, colleagues, and the public. Professionalism is marked by a commitment to excellence, continuous learning, and ethical practice. Teaching as a profession. Teaching is widely recognized as a noble and essential profession that plays a crucial role in shaping individuals and societies. Key elements that define teaching as a profession include 1. Specialized knowledge. Teachers acquire specialized knowledge through formal education and training. They are experts in their subject matter and pedagogy. 2. Professional standards. Teaching is guided by professional standards that outline expectations for educators. These standards often cover areas such as curriculum, assessment, and ethical conduct. 3. Ethical codes. Teachers adhere to a code of ethics that governs their behavior and interactions with students, colleagues, and parents. This includes principles of fairness, integrity, and respect. 4. Continuing professional development. Like other professions, teaching involves a commitment to continuous learning. Teachers engage in professional development activities to stay current with educational trends and enhance their skills. 5. Service orientation. Teaching is fundamentally a service-oriented profession. Teachers work to facilitate learning, foster development, and contribute to the well-being of their students. 6. Autonomy and decision-making. Teachers have a degree of autonomy in their classrooms. They make professional judgments regarding instructional methods, classroom management, and assessment practices. 7. Sense of purpose. Teaching is driven by a sense of purpose and a commitment to making a positive impact on the lives of students. Educators aim to instill knowledge, skills, and values in their students. Let us now understand professional ethics of teachers. Professional ethics for teachers involve principles and standards that guide their behavior and decision-making. Key components of the professional ethics of teachers include 1. Respect for students. Teachers respect the dignity and individuality of each student. They create inclusive and supportive learning environments that value diversity. 2. Integrity and honesty. Teachers uphold high standards of integrity and honesty. They provide accurate information, avoid plagiarism, and model ethical behavior for students. 3. Confidentiality. Teachers maintain confidentiality regarding student information, respecting privacy rights. They share information only with those who have a legitimate educational interest. 4. Professional boundaries. Teachers establish appropriate professional boundaries with students, maintaining a professional relationship that prioritizes the well-being of students. 5. Fairness and equity. Teachers treat all students fairly, without discrimination. They provide equal opportunities for learning and address individual needs. 6. Professional development. Teachers engage in continuous professional development to stay current with educational research, methodologies, and technologies. 7. Collegiality. Teachers collaborate with colleagues and contribute to a positive and supportive professional community. They share insights, resources, and best practices. 8. Advocacy for education. Teachers advocate for the rights and needs of students and the importance of education. They engage in professional organizations and activities that promote the profession. 9. Accountability. Teachers take responsibility for their actions and decisions. They are accountable to students, parents, colleagues, and the broader community. 10. Reflective practice. Teachers engage in reflective practice, critically evaluating their teaching methods and seeking continuous improvement. They are open to feedback and self-assessment. In summary, teaching as a profession is characterized by specialized knowledge, professional standards, ethical conduct, and a commitment to service. Professionalism in teaching is demonstrated through adherence to a code of ethics, ongoing professional development, and a sense of responsibility to students and the broader community. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shouking Bilal.